Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are happy, good and fantastic. And I hope you are learning this language great way. And this is Sony Singh, and today I am going to teach you how to ask question in English. Let's start this video friends. आप वहाँ क्या करते हो? What do you do there? आप वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing there? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you do work? आपका ऑफिस कहाँ है? Where is your office? आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live at? आप कहाँ हो? Where are you? If you want more like these questions, more like these sentences, then like, share and subscribe this channel. And keep supporting me friends, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.